So I want to add here ChatGPT is an awesome tool. I use it. I have its premium membership, but please don't confuse your preparation with this thing. This tool has a limitation. For example, I put here what is EDCAR model in PMP. Okay, I wanted to write an article and use it on EDCAR model. So it gave me that EDCAR model is not a part of PMP certification, but it gives the explanation of what is EDCAR. But here there's a confusion. It is saying it's not a part of EDCAR. Then I said it is a part of PIM Book 7. The model again said that no, it is not a part of that. Then I again said have a relook. Again, the model said it is not a part of it. So I got frustrated. I opened the PIM book. I gave him the exact number. Check 4.2.2 in PIM book. EDCAR is mentioned. Now it model said that yes, it is the part of that. So please use ChatGPT, but also open your mind. It is still, I would say, in the beta stage, so always double check your data whenever you are preparing anything for ChatGPT. I will make a detailed video on this, how what are the best practices to use for PMP preparation using ChatGPT soon.